Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add symbols in Metatrader 4 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To add symbols in Metatrader 4, firstly go ahead and launch open your Metatrader 4 application. It will take you to the home page of Metatrader application. From the home page, click on pen icon at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on plus icon and enter or type in the symbol that you want to add. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the symbols and that's how you will be able to add symbols in Metatrader 4 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.